Hey my dolls, so Sugar A here coming at you guys today with a video being brought to you by Main Concept. Thank you so much Main Concept for your patience in allowing me to put this video out. So dolls, I have a braided wig for you. This is a 13 by 5 braided wig from Main Concept in the style Shahidi 32 inch. And y'all, this wig is so doggone pretty. I really love it. Very well constructed. The cap construction is going to give you a 13 by 5 frontal, 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. It is going to be a very comfortable cap. So it's like on a mesh cap instead of like a braided cap, and then you get your frontal right here. So look at the very well twisted braid. They're not really braids, they're twist. This is gonna be something different because I like the idea of twist versus cornrows, and so this wig is so doggone pretty. You're gonna get a very well constructed wig. The lace on me does go from ear to ear, and I like the fact that they used a nice blendable brown lace instead of an ashy white lace. And there's the density. You're not going to get any gaps with this wig, so you can definitely pull it up or wear it all down depending on your preference and style. But yeah, here is the cap construction. I do not have any makeup on the lace or anything like that. This is just me in the stocking cap in a wig. Okay, yeah, this wig is really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and I'm going to apply my liquid foundation underneath the lace just to make it a little bit more blendable. I am using my foundation. I really love this foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation. I'm just going to go ahead and stipple that all over the lace where you see the lace is visible. And then what I do is I allow the before the foundation can completely dry down, I take some hairspray just to seal that lace so it doesn't bleed, and I allow it to dry before I put it on my head. Okay, I didn't show that part on camera, but I'm just letting you know what I do so that lace does not bleed. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the wig on now. Y'all, I was looking like Shamar Moore little sister in this clip, but we got it together. We fixed it. But as you guys can see, just using my foundation allows the wig to blend down even better. Like I said, the wig does come ear to ear on me. And this is what she's looking like. I do not have the wig adhered down as of yet. I am going to use the TGI bedhead spray and spray that on the front of the frontal, and then here's the finished result without me wearing any makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and meet y'all in the outro.
Alright y'all, so how many of you guys were cringing from the last clip of me putting this wig on? How many of y'all were cringing? I know I was cringing. I was like, oh my goodness, I look like Predator. How we gonna fix this? Now let me go ahead before I go into anything else. Let me tell you what I have on my head. This is from Main Concept. They sent me out their red carpet invisible braided wig. And here's her stock card. I have her in the style RCBI05 Shahidi in a 32 inch in the color T1B30. Here is her stock card. Here's what she's looking like. The model is wearing a T1B350, but here is the color that I have, T1B30. This is a synthetic braided wig with a 13 by 5 frontal. She is going to give you a lace front style, so she has lace from ear to ear, of course, because this is a frontal wig. She has lace from ear to ear that you do have to cut off. She comes with baby hairs. I cut the baby hairs off. I cut the baby hairs off. She has a total of 3 combs, two combs in the front, comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and she's also going to give you the ear tabs on the side, the moldable ear tabs on the side. Now, dolls, oh my goodness, I love this wig. First and foremost, wig is very bomb, very nicely done. I have no complaints about it. Well, actually I have one complaint about it, but I'll get into that in a minute. Do y'all see how neat these twists are? They're not braided, they're twisted. Do y'all see how neat this is? Do y'all see how nicely done these twists are? Like, these twists are so bomb. This wig looks super duper natural. It looks like I sat in somebody's chair for some hours, got my hair done. But guess what, dolls? There's no tension on my scalp. There's no tension along my hairline. This wig, super duper easy. Highly do recommend it. Now, my only con for this wig is the fact that the ends are not feathered out. I wish they would have feathered out the ends a little bit more, but that's okay. I can just take a comb and just feather out the ends myself. So that's really not a con or a complaint. But yeah, this is so, so pretty. Very neatly done. From what I seen when I was trying to price this wig for you dolls, this wig is priced under, I believe, $175. So of course I will leave all purchase links in the description box, so definitely check out those purchase links. Yeah, I have no complaints about this. Now this wig is 32 inches long. Y'all know I am 4'11", so I'm a shorty dude. I'm not that tall, so it's pretty long on me, but of course, you know, if you're a lot taller, it's not going to be that long on you. But this is 32 inches to be exact, and I will insert a clip right here or right here so I can show you guys the actual length of the wig. But y'all, she is adorable. Okay, now I did have to adhere this wig down. Let me show you guys what I adhered it down with. I adhered it down with the bed head hard head hairspray. This hairspray gets pretty tacky. That's the reason why I use it. It gets pretty tacky, so I applied it along my hairline and on top of the lace of this wig. And y'all, do y'all see? Like, this wig ain't going nowhere. Like, it ain't going nowhere. Okay, it's on my head. So I do love the fact that, you know, you can adhere it down. It looks pretty natural. You don't have to worry about, you know, somebody clocking you. Of course, if you left the baby hairs and whatnot, it'll be super duper unclockable. But you know, I was a little afraid because I was like, oh my goodness, I cut the baby hairs off. What was I thinking? But I'm kind of glad I did. I don't, you know, really mind, you know, the wig without the baby hairs. You do have styling versatility with this wig. You can leave it all down. And here's how full the wig is. You can, it's very full. This is all the braids to the front. As you guys can see, hold on, let me back up. All the braids to the front. You are going to get a good density for this wig. You can, of course, you know, do very many different styles with this. You can do like a little ponytail, half up, half down. You could do a braided crown if you wanted to do so. Let me turn around so you guys can see her. So you guys can see the density and the movement of it. It moves very nicely, y'all. Moves very nicely. It lays pretty flat to my head. I will say this, if you have a larger size head, make sure you guys are definitely making sure that your hair is flat underneath, because you don't want any lumps or humps in your wig. But man, yeah, I'm loving this. Of course, I added my hair jewelry just to give it some decoration. But yeah, highly recommend this one. So definitely follow me, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Of course, I'm Aya all day. Once again, shout out to Main Concept for sending this wig out to me. Highly greatly appreciate it. I will talk to y'all dolls later. Bye.